Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to change Snapchat password. If you have forgotten your Snapchat password and can't log in, don't worry. If your email is linked to your Snapchat account, a verification code can be sent directly to it. On your login screen, tap on Forgot Your Password. Then choose how you'd like to reset it, either via phone or email. In this example, we'll choose email. Enter your linked email address and tap on Continue. Now check your inbox for the verification code. Tap on Submit and this will allow you to access your account and reset your password. If you're already logged in and just want to change your password, here's what to do. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Scroll down until you find in password. Since we've opted to log in using the forgot password, it doesn't give us an option to put in your current password. It will redirect us to create a new one. So just simply add in your new password and then confirm it back again. Then right after, tap on save. Now you should be able to see a message that your password has now been updated. You can now go back to the Snapchat app and log in using your new password. Enter it when prompted and tap login. And that is just basically it, how to change your Snapchat password. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.